Welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to store a folder in Google Drive. All right. You have a ton of ways on how to do that. First up, go ahead and select the folder. All right. For example, I'm going to store this folder right here. I'm just going to click on the three dots. All right. As you can see here, we have the option for organizing. Right here, just hover your mouse, then move your mouse to the right and click on Add to Stored. All right. Click on it. As you can see here, one folder added to start. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some colors right here as well, just to maximize the organizing of your folders. Right here, I'm going to put this color. Now, another way is just by right-clicking on the folder itself. As you can see, we have the organize function as well. Right here, as you can see, instead of saying add to start, it says remove from start because we've already added it. All right, so I'm going to add in some more. Maybe this folder right here. Organize, then add to start. Now, where do we check or where do we go when we wanted to view our stored folders? All right, in here, just go ahead and go to the left pane and you'll be able to see stored a section. Just click on it and here you have your folders or stored folders. That's basically how you do it. All right. If you want to remove it from the stored section, just click on the three dots again or right click on it and go ahead and hit on organize. Then go ahead and click on remove from stored. As you can see here, it is now all removed right here. I'm going to remove it all one by one. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.